Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to write and design a professional ebook using ChatGPT and Designrr, all in under an hour. If you are a content creator, coach, or entrepreneur looking to build authority or create lead managed magnets, this is for you. Let's dive right in. Before using any tools, start with a clear topic. Ask yourself does what problem does my audience face? What quick solution can I offer in 10 to 20 pages? Example: how to build a professional brand in 7 days, or AI tools for beginners. If you are stuck, you can even ask ChatGPT, give me 10 short ebook ideas for your niche. Once you have got a title, it's time to outline it. Now, head over to chatgpt.com. Step by step, start by asking, create a table of content for an ebook. Title, your niche like video editing. Once you get the outline, go chapter by chapter. Write chapter 1 of this ebook in a friendly, clear tone, 500 to 800 words. Tips: ask for bullet points, examples, or summaries. You can say, make it sound like a coach speaking to beginners. Refine or rephrase, rephrase until the tone and depth match your brand. Repeat for each chapter. Once you're done, you will have your full content ready to format. Now, go to Designrr.io and create an account with your Gmail or email address. Enter your password. Click get started for a new account. Then select the plan from here. Once you are in, click new project, import from Google Docs or paste the text manually. Choose a template, modern, minimal, or niche specific. Customize, add your logo, brand colors, and fonts. Edit or move text, blocks, images, and headings. Add page number, CTA sections, or author bios. Want to add visuals? Use Designrr's built-in image library or import charts or screenshots for Canva, Unsplash, etc. Everything is drag and drop. Once the layout looks clean, double-check headings, font size, and spacing. Use call-out boxes for quotes or highlights. Add a table of contents and a thank you page with links or offers. Then hit export and choose PDF, EPUB, or Kindle formats. You now have a pro-level ebook ready to sell, give away, or use as a lead magnet. Some quick tips to warm up. Add a call to action on the last page, newsletter service, YouTube channel. Promote your ebook on your website, social media, or Gumroad. If it's a freebie, connect it to your email opt-in form, and that's it. With ChatGPT for content and Designrr for layout, you have got a super efficient way to create beautiful, helpful ebooks without hiring a writer or designer. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. If you want a full walkthrough on monetizing your ebooks next. Thanks for watching, and now go create something awesome.